Hey everybody, this is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I got a new camera, and I went shopping. Yes, I did. I went to Michael's, and I bought 3 bags full. I did. I had fun. Shall we see? Hang on. Okay, bag number 1, Baby Delight yarn. Isn't that a pretty color? It's got some pinks and some purples and some blues and a soft gray and I think some yellow. Anyway, very soft. It's called Baby Delight. I got 2 of them because they were on sale. I had so much fun because everything was on sale. So this is 7 ounces or 200 grams, 557 yards or 510 meters. I got 2 of them. They are, and I have my receipt here because you are not going to be amazed. You are going to be amazed. Oh, it fell. That's right. My receipt fell. Okay, I got it. So Baby Delight. Here we are. $14.99 regular. I think it even says there. Yeah, $14.99 regular. I paid $5.99. $5.99. I got 2. Aha. Now, I don't know, but you guys have been hearing me complain that I cannot find those cloud cakes or those cotton funnel cakes from Caron at my local Michael's, and I still can't find those cotton funnel cakes. I looked, they're all gone. They had Caron tea cakes on sale, and they had Caron cake, and they had crystal cake. I got a crystal cake. I did. This is in the color peacock. I just love it. It's gorgeous. 8.5 ounces. 634 yards. Or 240 grams, and that's 580 meters. So, these are usually $11.99. They were on sale. They're on sale. You want to know how much? $4.99. I got 2 of them. And then I got Bernat Cheapy. I bought another one because if you look behind me, I have one right there. But I only have one. So I bought another one. Because I want to make a teddy bear. I bought 2 of them, different colors. How much did I pay? I paid $4.99. They are regularly $11.99, and I paid $4.99. That's 1 bag. See, 1 bag done. I got a cotton fair in the color lavender. And I paid full price for that. I bought 2 of them though. $7.99. I bought 2 of them. So let's get into the second bag, which is already ripping because of the weight. So bag number 2. Haha. Hometown, USA, Lion Brand Yarn, bonus bundle? Yep, bonus bundle. New York white. It's really bright white. It's really shiny. It's really soft. bought it specifically for a project, and they were $11.99. Yes, they were $11.99. I used my 30% off coupon for one of them. So I paid full price for these, except for one. La, 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 la. Can we say purple? Purple, purple, purple ombre. So this is Craftsmart Value Ombre in purple. Of course. Has to be purple. And they are usually $3.99. They're on sale. $2.99. I got 4 of them. So they're 214 yards or 4 ounces of yarny goodness. And that's 196 meters or 120 grams. I bought 4 of them. Okay. There's my other cotton fair. I'm making a top out of it, so. Look. I got cloud cake. And look, they are usually $9.99. Oh, that's US. But here they are $11.99. You want to know how much I paid for them? Are you sure? $4.99. I got this for $4.99. And this is 100% polyester. It is a medium 4. I've never worked with it yet, but I can tell already I love it. And this color is called raspberry. And I've got 2 of them. So that's enough to make a top or something. 760 yards or 695 meters. And that's 8.5 ounces or 240 grams. And I bought 2 of them. Because at $4.99, come on, $4.99? You'd buy 2 of them too, I know it. Maybe even more than 2, hey? Oh, yeah. Here's bag number 2. Here is bag number 3. Really demolished. So I bought these. Now this is Barcelona Big. And I know this because I just had another wrapper. Oh, right here. The wrapper fell off the other one, but this is Barcelona Big. It's by Loops and Threads. It's an 8.8 ounce or 250 grams of yarny goodness. And it's 410 yards or 375 meters, and the color is rose. And it's beautiful. It's pinks and grays, and it's just gorgeous. So they only had 2, so I bought them because you know how much I paid? They were $5. $5. They were on clearance. $5. They only had 2. I bought them. Took them home. Don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I'll figure something out. I want to keep that with them so I know what they are. And then I bought 2 Ogos because I have 2 Ogos already in the same color of Hibernate. So now I have 4 Ogos of Hibernate. Now I have enough to make something. And there goes that bag. See? Bag gone. 3 bags of yarny goodness. I also bought ow! Sorry about that. Ow! I'm damaged. I hit my spleen on the edge of the desk. Ow. I bought a crochet hook. I bought a prim. I did. I bought a prim. I did. I did. Look at that tip. Look at that tip. We'll see. It's my smallest tip I've bought in this kind of, but it's a prim. It's my very first prim. I've never worked with a prim before. It is a 3mm. How can you tell that? Oh, it says C. Wow, then I'm going to have to keep the box because I don't know what a C is. It just says prim, C. Well, how am I going to know how big it is? Okay, so it's a 3mm. I'm looking forward to working with it. And yeah, so I did really, really good. I bought lots of yarn. I'm not going to tell you how much, but it was lots of yarn. And I'm really, really happy with that. I got my inheritance, let's say. Well, that's actually exactly what it was. I got my inheritance. So we went and we spent $100 in the garden. We got some more plants, and yeah, we got some more plants, 2 more fruits. I can't even remember what we got. I know we got 5 strawberry plants. Got some spearmint. We got some lavender because ours didn't grow last year. The winter must have killed it off. So we got another thing of lavender, and it's growing beautiful, and it's already blooming. So we're going to put that in the ground. I got some marigolds, and I got some pansies. And I couldn't find rosebush because I would have gotten a rosebush. But yeah, it was a busy day. We went to Regina to shop. So that's what we did. And that's where I got all of this stuff, was from my Michael's in Regina. And yeah, it was a good day. I survived. I'm glad I'm home. I'm really glad I'm home. But I'm going to go play with my yarn now. So you all have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. If you've watched this whole video to the end, thank you very much. Give me a like, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I need friends. Okay, and on that note, I'm going to go for now. So everybody take care. Bye.